Hi Year 3, welcome back. Mrs Powell here. First of all, I want to thank all of you who took the time to send me their wonderful drawings last week. It's so lovely to see all your work, so please do keep emailing me with them. Okay, now I really wanted us to use paint this week. Now obviously some of you may be lucky enough to have some paint, but we have to be sometimes a little bit creative during this situation. So I thought I'll have a raid of my cupboards and see what I can find to make some homemade paint. So I'm going to use, So I've got some turmeric here, which has a lovely bright yellow colour. I've got some paprika, which is a nice sort of burnt sienna brown colour. And if you've got any food colouring in your house, this makes brilliant paint. So all I've used is as a palette is a tray, an egg tray that I'm just taking from my fridge. And you just want to be adding a tiny bit of water just so that it's nice and smooth to work with. You need to add quite a lot to the food colouring. Okay, so now you've got your paints, you'll need a paintbrush and some water, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with it. So you want to draw your leaf nice and big on your paper and try and get as much detail in as you can. Now we're going for a sort of autumn deciduous leaf, so these kind of have quite a lot of jagged edges. Makes them quite interesting to draw and paint. Now if you want to download a picture, look at one on your iPad to copy, you can, but I'm sort of doing one from memory, that's fine too. So now with your drawing finished, you're ready to add your homemade paints. So let's start with the, remember this one's turmeric, so it should be a lovely warm yellow. Oh, that is nice. So you're just going to have fun sort of pushing the colours around, then give you a brush of wash if you need to. And this one's the paprika. Let's see what kind of colour we get. Oh, that's nice as well. Nice dark brown there. Very autumnal colours. So I'm just finishing off by putting a few little tinges. This was the green food colouring. If you're using food colouring, it's a really intense colour, so you'll have to add a lot of water to it. And there we go, my finished. So here's my finished leaf painting. So hopefully yours will look something like this. And if you want to have a go at drawing anything else, homemade paints are a great thing to use. So good luck with this and keep drawing.